Yay, so I got my parcel from Amazon. Let's see. It's gonna be my face brush, I think. Okay, so here it is. Yay, my face brush. It's like a dupe of a more expensive face brush or silicone face brush or something, but this one is called Super Cool Washing Machine from Mat or something. This is a lot cheaper than the branded one, but it has a lot of good reviews, so I'm gonna give it a try. I'm so excited because my face brush is already, well, I need a replacement brush for my face brush that I use, but I can't find them, so I decided to just get a different one. This one is a silicone one, so we'll see how it goes. It says Spa New Experience. It's a new waterproof design, clean face, perfect remover. So product functions are quickly remove facial dirt and restore white skin, promote blood circulation, speed up metabolism, increase the absorption capacity to make your skin ruddy and shiny. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna open it up and show what's inside. Okay, so I got it out of the box, so this is what it looks like. This side has the finer bristles, which is for cleaning, and the other side have bigger bristles, which is for massaging. I like the idea of massaging because when I get a headache, I like to massage my head, and this would definitely be good. And this is where you insert the USB cable to charge it, and that cover keeps this device waterproof. And there's the power button and it lights up, and there's a minus and a plus sign, I guess, depending on how or on what intensity you want it to work when you're cleaning or massaging. Using this device, you can adjust the intensity, and it comes with its own USB cable. So yeah, and then it comes with instructions. So we'll see how it goes. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And if you like this one, give it a thumbs up and share.